In this video, I am going to show you how to buy Norton Antivirus online in a step-by-step process. To buy a Norton Antivirus online, simply scroll down this video and you'll see a link like this. Just click on it. And you can see this is the Amazon choice, Norton Antivirus, which has auto renewal. You can simply click on add to cart and move forward in the buying process, or what you can do is you can type Norton Antivirus and the current year, and you can see the list of Norton Antivirus. At the top you'll see some Amazon choice, bestseller. You can see this kind of Norton Antivirus here. Whichever you like, you can simply click on it, and then after that click on add to cart. Now click on proceed to checkout. Now click on continue, and now here you need to, so this is an antivirus. You can simply download it and use the key. If you are ordering any physical item, then you need to place the shipping address, but also if it is showing here to put the shipping address, then you can put it. If you have any gift card promotion code or that kind of voucher, if there is any, I would put it in the description of this video. You can check that, or if you have that, then you can put it at here. And once this process is finished, then you click on place your order. Your order total would be $15.89. Once you do this much, then you'll receive an email, and at here in returns and order, if you clicked at here after ordering, then you'll see your order details here. Okay, and then you can follow the activation process, download process, and install the Norton Antivirus in your PC or laptop. But one thing, if you don't have an account on Amazon, then you need to create an account on Amazon, and I'll show you quickly how you can make an account on Amazon now. To create an account on Amazon, simply hover your mouse at here and click on new customer, start here, and then put your name here, your email address here, and a password that you can remember. Now click on create your Amazon account. You can save that. Fill this captcha and click on continue. So now they have sent a OTP, so let me check it quickly. Let me log into my that specific ID. So here you can see verify your new Amazon account. Now this is the OTP. I'll copy it, simply copy it, okay, and paste it at here and click on verify. So they'll ask you for a phone number, so simply select your country and put a phone number that you can that mean to say put a number that is yours, and click on add mobile number. So you'll receive a OTP here also. Let me quickly see for the OTP. So I have received a OTP. Now let me enter it. So I have received it in my mobile phone. Now click on create your Amazon account. So it says the number you have entered already exists with other accounts. So I think I have used it in other account. So after doing this step, you will have your own Amazon account, so you don't need to worry about, you need to fulfill this two step, and then you can easily purchase anything that you would like in Amazon. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.